Jiangxi Suihua Fiberglass Company Limited, established in 2014, is a professional manufacturer of high-performance fiberglass safety products in China. With over 10 years of experience, we focus on innovation product development and customized solutions for global B2B customers. Our main products include EV car, fire blankets, welding blankets, fire pit mats, fiberglass fabrics, and fiberglass tapes, widely used in fire protection, industrial insulation, and emergency safety. In 2025, we launched a new advanced silicone coating production line, significantly enhancing our capability in manufacturing silicone-coated fiberglass fabrics with superior heat resistance, durability, and stable quality. Our company and affiliated factory covers 30,000 square meters and is equipped with advanced weaving and coating machines, ensuring strong production capacity and fast delivery for bulk and OEM orders. We implement a strict quality control system throughout the entire process, from raw materials to final inspection, ensuring every product meets international standards. Suihua is certified with ISO 9001, and our products comply with EN 1869, UL 94, and NFPA 701. In 2025, we also passed the social responsibility audit of a listed company, further demonstrating our commitment to sustainable and responsible manufacturing. We support OEM and ODM services with low MOQ, flexible customization, and fast response. Trusted by customers worldwide, Suihua is dedicated to providing reliable products, professional service, and long-term partnerships. Suihua Fiberglass, protecting safety, delivering quality.
Suihua team up with big-name international companies, and trust me, we got skills and resources to offer fast service and products that won't let you down. No compromises on products. This is one of production lines.